These are all the people waiting to get gas after Hurricane Florence. Look at this. So I guess we're coming up on the retention pond. It looks a little high. I'd say that's higher than it usually is, right? Runways at the Sunoco.
Fun and it's pleasant.
Look at that. They're full. Sunoco is full. And this gas station, the Exxon up here, has gas. And look at the line. Look at all the people getting gas up here. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Look at that. Look at all these people. Throwing a pine needle in the road.
Tropical storm.
Yeah. All these people lined up to get gas.
I think we just lost Brian. We'll get back to him as soon as we can. Oh, I may have heard Brian again. I think we lost Brian. We are going to get back to Brian. So we'll get it.
Look at all those people getting gas at Harris Teeter. People lined up to get gas at Harris Teeter.
Following the storm, we have that update at 11. Allison, what can folks expect moving forward today?
Right, so you're still going to need to expect plenty more rain.
Continuing into Monday. Some of the areas really experience any flooding. Get prepared and stay alert for forecast updates and emergency evacuation orders. Finally, please be safe and be smart. Then we have Secretary Jim Trotman, Secretary of Transportation.
So the Exxon's all messed
Colonel
up.
Glenn McNeil, the commander of the
Check
North
out the
Carolina
Waffle
Highway
House.
Patrol.
Look at all the people at the Waffle House. The Waffle House is the one place open. Look at this. Look at the line. Look at the line out there.
General Jeffrey Buchanan of the United States Army, who is also with us. Now we'll turn it over to Director Sprayberry.
Oh, we got tree down, we got power pole down.
Ride the practice
Not
dog.
going that
Throw
way.
one more loop, get back up when we get thrown down. In order to be the best, you gotta work. And have gear that works for you. That's why we wear Harriet. With a dedication to
Not going
innovation,
that way.
Harriet boots and clothing work for us.
See that? Alright guys, so the water is rising. Zoom in here. You can see the water flowing at the back of the yard. This is pretty much after it's over, just waiting for the rain to stop. That's how close the water is. Alright guys, so the water has risen. It's almost to the black protege. Gets any closer, we have to go out there with a tow strap.